Setting up a payment gateway on Shopify for your country involves a few steps. Select the right payment gateway. Navigate to your Shopify dashboard and select Settings, then Payments. Choose the appropriate payment provider supported in your country from the list of available options. Complete the application. Fill out the necessary details and complete the application process for the payment gateway. Each provider might have different requirements or verification processes. Configure settings. Once approved, integrate the payment gateway by entering your account details such as API keys, account numbers, or other required credentials. Adjust the settings as needed. Test transactions. Conduct test transactions to ensure that the payment gateway is functioning correctly. This is crucial to confirm that customers can make payments seamlessly without issues. Compliance and legal aspects. Ensure that your payment gateway complies with local regulations and laws for handling payments in your country. Make sure that all legal requirements are met. Check currency and conversion. Confirm that the payment gateway supports your local currency and manages any required currency conversions if your store deals with multiple currencies.